DIY Gourmet presents 60-second recipes with Fishwife tinned seafood. Today, we're making Irish rice. You start out with a nice square or round bowl, if you please. Get yourself a scoop of the Irish rice. It's got corned beef and cabbage inside. Probably going to want a 20 size scoop, maybe a 16. Sprinkle a little bit of dill on top, much as you please. Usually about a quarter teaspoon works just fine. After that, start dressing the side of the dish with some lightly steamed broccoli when you go the stem side down and the floret side up to make it look nice and pretty. Now, once the broccoli is in place, go ahead, start putting the fish down there. We've got ourselves some beechwood smoked trout from Denmark, and it is courtesy of Fishwife. It is quite delicious on top of the Irish rice. Now, as it says, don't forget the lemon and pepper. Fresh lemon is great. Freshly cracked pepper on top makes it even better. So that when you mix it in, you got a bite, you got a little bit of twist, and then you got a nice flavor that goes along with it with the crunch of the broccoli. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. This is Irish rice with Fishwife tinned seafood. See you next time. If you have any questions, make sure and put them in the comments below. Check out the description for more. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again.